Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be talking about SEO and particularly SEO for YouTube and ranking your YouTube videos. And I'm going to show you a free tool that's going to be a complete game changer for you. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be talking about SEO and particularly how to get your YouTube videos ranked using a tool that I highly recommend. All right, so let's get on with today's videos. But first, I would like to welcome anybody that's new to the channel. And if you feel like you have received some value out of this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you feel like you got some value out of this content. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you have any comments about, what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, or if you just have questions, please post them below and I will reply. All right. So if you have any interest in the tool that I speak of in this program, there will be a link at the top of the description. And let's get on with the video. All right, so guys, what I'm talking about today is ranking your videos with YouTube and a special tool that I use that makes it somewhat easy. All right, so the tool I'm speaking of today allows me to go in. I'm just going to show you. This is a video I made just the other day, and I only got 13 views, and you can see that I'm ranking #1 for this. And this tool is called TubeBuddy. It's a Chrome plugin that you just install in Chrome. You sign in with your YouTube account, right? So you sign in, and it takes you to this screen. So what this is it allows you to do certain things with your channel. So it allows you to do health reports. It has a launch pad to show you certain stats on your channel, allows you to back up and export your videos, all kinds of stuff. It gives you canned responses so you can have automatic responses with they have a mobile app which allows you to like pull out stuff that are make your setup easy for managing your YouTube videos. All right, so we're just going to go through some of the material that helps you rank, and I'm going to show you how it does it when we go onto YouTube. All right, so let's just go over to my channel. And as you can see, my channel only has 78 subscribers. I'm a new guy on the block here, but I do fairly well after finding this tool with ranking my videos. So for instance, here's a video I did just one day ago, free 100% done for you lead magnets. As you can see, when you search this, I'm at the top of the board here, right? And what this does is you can come in here, you can search this screen, right? And you can see your keyword score. So this is very important when you're looking for keywords, right? So you put in a keyword, you want to see search volume is high and your competition at low. If you can get anything over 60, it's pretty good, right? This is very good and this is very uncommon because people aren't really looking for this exact phrase, right? So if I took out that lead magnet off of here, you'll see 100% done for you. And you can see this isn't anything special, right? And I still rank at #1 with that. All right, so that's pretty cool. Now let's go over here to a more common search. So this one's a video I did called Affiliate Marketing Platform for Beginners in 2018. As you can see, the overall is very good. The competition is low. The search volume is high. And I'm a little guy with a video of 29 views. And this video was posted 6 days ago. I probably only had 70 subscribers at the time. And I'm what? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, number 6 on the list here. So that's pretty good, right? So this is a pretty cool stat here, and you can go to the keyword stats. So it'll say, okay, this keyword is searched 134,000 least is 34 subscribers, least subscribers. So you can see the least subscribers is mine, right? I have 78 subscribers. And top channel. So it allows you to like, okay, so these people are getting views on this. Let me go ahead and try this. And then what makes this also cool is when you're looking for a keyword to do your video, you can say, okay, I want to do a video on affiliate marketing platforms for beginners. Let me search a couple different ways, and then this will give you common tags that you can use to post in your videos. All right, so this tool is pretty cool. And here's another one I did on high ticket marketing for beginners. As you can see, it's very good, 76 out of 100. The keyword stats, pretty similar to the last one. And you can see here, right, these guys are pretty big 20K plus YouTube channels. And you scroll down a little bit, and here's my little 22 views, right? So that's how you rank in these videos, and that's not the best one. Now, here's another one, Builderall, how it works and is it worth it? That's a pretty good 69. So like I said, I like to keep them around 60. This gives you your stats, a little better than the last one. And you can see here that this guy has 6.2K views. And he probably has a channel that's way more than me, 20K plus, and I'm ranked right underneath him. All right, so you can start to see how this ranking works. Here's another one I did on Udemy Solo Ads Review, finding a good vendor. You can see here the search volume isn't great, but it still gave me a good score, so I used uh, the keyword, right? So I posted this in, and as you can see, 7.9, 9.7, 7.3, 28, and 8. So I'm sitting up here with very high view people, right? So if somebody comes in here and says, I want to do a Udemy solo ads review, I wonder for 2018, where am I listed? And I'm still listed right there, right? Number what? Number 5 on the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, this is good stuff. And I just wanted to share with you what TubeBuddy is. All right, so if I come in here and I want to open a video, so let's say I open this video that I did yesterday, and this could be anybody's video, right? And it's going to show rankings, right? So it's going to show you how many total views, how many comments, how many likes, how many uh, views on your channel, who's what best practices you've done, what tags show in this video, and this will show for any video I watch. I could say, okay, I want to check out this video, and I could say, okay, let me see what tags he has used. He's got 27,000 views on this. His channel has, 1,000 subscribers. He's got 153 videos, and these are the tags he used to rank his video. All right, so it allows you to go in and look what your competition or give you some ideas what you want to do for your next account or next video. Now you can integrate your Facebook, your Twitter uh, with this TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy is going to help you break down all this stuff. Now, TubeBuddy does have licensing features, and it has a free feature. I would recommend you use the License Pro, but you can use the free version, but you only get to see small pieces of the information. And if you're really interested in ranking on YouTube, I would recommend getting at least the License Pro, which is only like 30 bucks. It's pretty cheap, and it allows you to show your ranking of your stuff. All right, so member perks, there are some perks. They give you some free stuff. So they give you TubeBuddy Mobile, which allows you to do your management of your channel on the fly on your mobile phone. They give you Audio Hero, which gives you royalty-free music, so you don't have to worry about using somebody else's music. And there's another one for music, Tuber Tools. So you're looking, you can see you're getting some free stuff, you're getting discounts on things. So it's a good tool, and it's actually very useful to help you out. It also has an affiliate program, which you're not going to make a huge amount of money off of promoting this because it's not a really high priced product, but it does help you look at your channel. And this is one of the cool features too. It gives you a health report, so it tells you, okay, you've got 32 comments, they're up 700%, your likes are up 1000%, your dislikes or aren't really affecting you at all. Here are your videos and the searches coming from YouTube and how many views you got from these searches. Tells you how many subscribers you've had in the last uh, 30 days or 30 days prior. So as you know, I just started this channel. I started this channel a long time ago, and I posted like a video here and a video there, and I recently said, you know what, I'm gonna start promoting videos about marketing and affiliate marketing, digital marketing, because that's what my passion is and that's what I like to do. And why not share it on video? All right, so I'm new to this and I'm learning, and using these types of tools is helping me actually figure out what's going on with my channel, how much usage, and other people in the same niche as me. You know, my niche is affiliate marketing, digital marketing, uh, helping people get the freedom to live a laptop lifestyle. So that's kind of like what my niche is, right? So that's what I'm passionate about. That's what I talk about, and that's who I'm speaking to, is other people who are interested in that niche. So I use this to do all kinds of stuff, and of course my channel is still small, so you can only imagine once your channel starts getting bigger, you'll start to see like I'm actually getting some use out of this tool. And there are some things that, you know, maybe uh, maybe I want to invest in other licenses. Like for instance, if I wanted to do scorecard, like once I get up my channel up a little bit and I start poking on other people in my niche, I might want to do a competitor scorecard, and that means I have to upgrade the license to Legend license, right? So there's different perks with different licenses, and I just have the lowest license. And I recommend, if you're new to YouTube, you just get the license pro, and it works great. But if you want to do a little bit extra, you can get other things. But as you can see, I only paid $39 for this, and it's pretty awesome. All right, so guys, this is the tool that helps me rank my videos. And as you've seen, you know, I'm ranking pretty well with a lot of these videos, uh, up with the bigger guys, and I have a very little following. Of course, I do put out content every single day, and I'm trying to stay consistent with that so I can build a bigger subscriber list. But it is something, if you want to get into YouTube, I know firsthand that you must be consistent and you must take massive action and just go out and do it. All right, so I hope you found this video of some value, and maybe you use TubeBuddy in the future to do your keyword, help you with your keyword rankings. And like I said, there is a free version and there is a pro version, and either one you use, it will help you. I started with the free version, then I was like, know what? The free version only showed me like a couple of these. It only showed me a couple things about my keyword searches. So I just wanted to get the pro so I could see it all and I could copy tags and stuff like that. So it does help you out. Give it a try on the free version if you do like it. You know, you can always upgrade and you can always cancel later. But for $39 all time, that's not bad, and it helps you build your channel. So guys, I'm going to jump off here. As always, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not new to my channel, welcome back. Hit that subscribe button, give me a like, show me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions about this content, post it below and I will reply. All right, so again, I will see you on the next video. Peace out, have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.